Okay, now we're going to continue with exercise 22. We're going to continue our practice creating informational questions using where, and we're going to follow the pattern that you learned in exercise 21, where we begin with our question word. So our question word here is going to be where, and if you remember, where is asking a location of a thing. So where, our noun is going to be the cat. So where is the cat? Where is the cat? So again, our pattern is question word. Helping verb is the cat. Because it's singular, again, we're using the word is. Otherwise, if it was cat, we would use the word are. Where is the cat? And to answer our question, we always begin with our noun. The cat is our helping verb. Between is our preposition. Between. The cat is between. Between is our preposition, and the object of our preposition is the ladies. The ladies. So let's review. Where is the cat? The cat is between the ladies. Again, we began with our question word where. Is our helping verb. The cat is our noun. The cat is between the ladies. So now we know the location of the cat, between the ladies. Okay, let's try number 2 together. So in number 2, we're looking for a gift. The gift is going to be where is the gift, because we're asking for the location of our noun. Where is, gift is a singular, otherwise it would be gifts. We would add an S if you remember from past learning. It would be gifts. So the helping verb here is. Where is the gift? Oops, that would be a question mark. Where is the gift? And to answer the question, we begin with our noun, the gift. The gift. And remember, you could always review and see the pattern as we plug in the words. Where is the gift? The gift is our helping verb. The gift is with is our preposition. The gift is with Joe. Joe is the object of the preposition. Period. So again, let's ask the question. Where is the gift? The gift is with Joe. So remember, where is asking the location of a thing. With Joe is the answer. With Joe. Where is the gift? The gift is with Joe. Okay, let's try another exercise together. So in number 3, we could see that our noun is car. Okay, so where is the question word? Where is our helping verb. Where is the car? Question mark. Where is the car? Again, we started with our question word where. Is our helping verb. The car is our noun, our subject of the question. Where is the car? For the answer, we begin with the noun. The car And remember, we're informing where the car is. The car is, and our preposition is behind. Behind is our preposition, and our object of the preposition is behind Gabriel. So again, let's read these together. Where is the car? The car is behind Gabriel. Let's try number 4 together. Again, what are we going to begin with? Our question word, where. We always begin our question with our question word. In this case, we're using where. Where? Now, thief, we always have to look for the clues. Thief is our noun, and thief is singular. So we would use the word is. If it was more than one, we would use the word are, the helping verb are. Where is the thief? Where is the thief? And to answer our question, we're going to begin with our noun. The thief again, our helping verb is. The thief is among. Among is our preposition. The thief is among the shoppers. And this is the location, among the shoppers. I'm going to write small because it's not going to fit. Shoppers. Again, where is the thief? The thief is among the shoppers. Let's continue with number 5. Okay, so again, we're going to begin with our question word, where. And of course, before I decide what helping verb, I need to see if it is singular or plural. So where is the money? So it's money. So it would be where is the money? Where is the money? Where is the money? So here again, I have my question word. My helping verb is. The money is my noun. And because I'm addressing the question, I need to begin with the money is my noun. The money. Helping verb is. Now my preposition is inside. Inside. Karen's purse is the object of the preposition. Karen's purse. So again, where is the money? The money is inside Karen's purse. And now, before you move on to work on your own, let's see what patterns we see just among these exercises. We always began with our question word where, if you could see where, and it was always followed by our helping verb is. In this case, because they are singular. Now remember, that could be different if our noun is plural. It would be are. Where is the car, for this case, if that's the noun that we're working with, the thief in this case, and the money in this case. And when I am answering the question, I begin with my noun because I'm addressing the question. I'm answering the question. The car is followed by the helping verb. The car is behind Gabriel. And remember, where questions are asking for a location. So behind Gabriel is the answer to the location of the car. So again, where is the car? The car is behind Gabriel. In this case, we have where is the thief? Again, that I answer the question by using my noun. The thief is among the shoppers. So where? Among the shoppers is the answer to the location of where the thief is. And number 5, we have where is the money? And the location is inside Karen's purse. So this is the location. I am answering the where, the location to where the money is. So you could see there is always a pattern. We begin with a question word, followed by the helping verb, and then the noun. And when we answer the question, we're addressing the question. So we have to begin with our noun. The car is behind Gabriel. Okay, so now it's your turn to continue with the following exercises. Good luck and see you soon.